Hi, my name is Cayla Jones and I'm a museum educator here at Crystal Bridges. Today's art making project is inspired by Ruth Osawa's untitled S028 Hanging 4-Lobe Continuous Form Within a Form, which you learned about in the previous video. Osawa experimented with new materials and created sculptures based on her drawings of things in the world around her. Osawa believed that an artist is someone who can take ordinary things and make them special. And that's exactly what we're going to do today. In this art making project, we will draw from the world around us and create a sculpture with the materials in your kit.
You can pause this video or scroll back to any step if you need to.
Find these materials from your My Museum kit: white paper, a pencil, twisty wire, pipe cleaners, rubber bands, and paper clips. With permission from an adult, grab a pair of scissors from your home. This is optional. Take a moment to look at your surroundings. Are there objects in your home that look interesting? Find an object that inspires you. I have chosen a houseplant for this project. Use a pencil from your kit to draw an abstract image of your object by focusing on its lines and shapes. My drawing won't look exactly like the houseplant, but that's what we want. Use your drawing as a plan for creating your sculpture. When you're done, gather the twisty wire, pipe cleaners, rubber bands, and paper clips from your kit. Use as many of these materials to create your sculpture inspired by your abstract drawing. Twisty wire can be used to make knots or fun spirals. For my project, I made knots by twisting wires on top of each other. These knots build a see-through pot for my abstract houseplant. I also created spirals with the loose ends of wire. You can make spirals using your hands, like I did, or wrap them around a pencil. Cleaners can be used to make loops and spirals by bending them. You can also layer different colors for a braid. I use my pipe cleaners to make the petals or plant in my abstract drawing. Then I connect the ends to the sides of my pot that I made out of twisty wire. Rubber bands can connect different pieces together. I use them to secure the plants to my pot and to help with hanging the final project. Paper clips can add fun, simple shapes to your sculpture by bending them. Take your time forming the shapes and deciding where to place them on your sculpture. When done, admire your work. Now find a good spot to show it off in your home. When you're done, be sure to clean up your space and put your unused supplies back into your My Museum kit. Thanks for making this art project with us today.
With an adult's permission, take a photo or two of your completed art project and post it on social media with the hashtag MyMuseumKit. Enjoy exploring!